Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are still well and happy. And today I'm going to show you how to clean the induction hob from the worst dust ever. So if you want to get the tips how to quick and easy clean the hob, just stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So this is how it looks like before the cleaning, and like you see, it's very dirty. And those are the tools which I'm using in that production. First of all, I'm cleaning with the hot water and clean sponge. And now adding the sieve and silver foil. A few minutes later, I'm cleaning everything with the sponge with the hot water and just dry it out with the paper towel. And those are the results after the cleaning. Like you see, that cleaning took me around 5 to 7 minutes, so it was actually quite quick and easy. I'm very happy from the results. It's really shiny, it's really spotless, and looks like a new. Just part of the few scratches which I made unfortunately with my other pots. So hopefully you're going to tag me on Instagram and show me your work. What did you do at home? I'm going to be very proud of you and just keep you motivated to do more and more and more. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, watch us on Instagram and YouTube, and stay safe and keep smiling. Bye.